Good evening. Ira Epstein with your metal market wrap-up, and this wrap-up is for the evening as we're here now on August 13th. It is Wednesday, the 13th, 2025, and we're sitting here right now at about 5:45 p.m. Central Time. Pretty flat market reopening in the stock market, but what a phenomenal set of gains we've been seeing. It's a blow-up market. The gold market just holding over the 3,400 level. Silver market tried a good rally today against gold, and it is gaining on it. Now, the key is tomorrow. Tomorrow's what I call Carpenter Day. What do I mean by that? You're going to get jobless claims. That could be one of the nails in the coffin to get a Fed cut. The other is going to be the PPI numbers that we get, and they're going to come out tomorrow. They're looking for a 0.2% month-over-month increase, and they're expecting the core PPI up 0.3. So now we will see how that works out. Natural gas, look for a big input versus a normal draw at this time of the year due to the mild weather that we've had. So that should get very interesting too. So as we come back to these charts, you can see in the bonds and notes, you're continuing to get a little bit of a rally. You've taken the 10-year note from 4.28 down to about the 4.24 level. That's interesting in itself. Number of currencies gaining, as you can see on the dollar. Dollar is going to reopen, but it should be under a little bit of pressure. Saying that to you before I get into the charts, I want to bring this up to you. The gold report is now off the website. Now it's the currency. So I did a new report on the dollar index for you, and I show the importance of where you're at in it right now. And it is important. I cover it with daily charts, weekly charts, the seasonal patterns, price counts are in there for you. We talk about the impact of the current world events on it, and it is sensitive. It is up for 3 business days. So take a look at it. I warn you, it's going to be gone. You can click up here at any time. After 3 business days, gone it is. All right, let's go back to the chart action and see what we have. In the gold market, the big question now is what happens if you get PPI and jobless claims that said the Fed should go ahead and cut? Is that going to drop gold back down towards the 33.28 level? Or does eventually that mean, hey, the Fed's going to start cutting interest rates? What does that mean for the U.S. dollar? Does it send it down first and the economy comes back up, like what happened in Europe and Asia? Could be the case. So you look to see where you're at right there. If you take a look at the chart, you're sort of in no man's land. You've got a higher high and a lower low in the gold. The market's come back today to fight a battle at the 18-day average of closes. If it can close over that tomorrow, it'll be the first sign of some strength coming back to the market. And if the market weakens, will it go back to the 100-day average of 33.69 to regroup? And that's very close to the lower band of 33.70. So that's one of the things. Momentum-wise, you're not getting anything out of it. You're just sort of drifting right now in momentum. The gold-silver ratio has switched gears in favor of silver being stronger than gold when it got under the 18-day average of closes. And as you can see, silver market is over that 18-day average. So the market trying to be good. To get bullish, it actually has to take out 39.35, the high that I have with the arrow there. You are in an overbought market. You could easily pull back to that 18-day average to regroup as I see it. In the copper market, copper's trying to form a trading pattern, but it still has the bearish embedded reading. As I've said every day, the market got pretty well destroyed on the charts when you put 50% tariffs on, then you took them off, and you took everything out of kilter in it. In the platinum market, it's been a bear market rally, trying to get up to the 18-day average of closes. Hasn't been able to do it at this point in time. And in the dollar, which way here? As long as you don't take out the 98.50 level, you still open the door to come back to the lower Bollinger Band, but you are in oversold territory. You're probably going to get the reaction to the market strong in the dollar one way or the other, depending on the PPI tomorrow. So be certain to take advantage. Take a look at the dollar index report. Just click up here on any of the icons. You can go to iraepstein.com. It's on the very top left. I'm Ira. Hope to see you in my other videos tonight. And first thing in the morning flash update. You take care.